Good morning, everybody. My name is Jim Brzezinski. I'm the manager here at the removable department at Shacken First Dental Implant Laboratory. Welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. I asked my boss, Dr. Shatkin, if I could do this week for a specific reason. And it starts with this: lab slips. What we need from you folks out there is to fill out these things thoroughly, from the doctor's name to the patient name to the due dates, to what appliance you want, to the shades, if it's a male or a female, all the things that are pertinent for me to make you an appliance that'll be satisfactory to you and your patient. You know, there's an old saying, I learned this a long time ago. We're a pharmacy to you guys. You're doctors, just like a pharmacy is to a physician. You would not go out of your way just to send a prescription down to a Walgreens or a Rite Aid without signing it, without looking at it, without being specific. In turn, you would be doing us a great service if you treated us the same way. Also, if you can't send study models of patients' existing appliances, please take pictures or give me information that'll be pertinent to me picking teeth, like the height, weight, shape of the face. I need all these things so I can pick the proper teeth. Study models are the best. Even if they hate their appliance that they're wearing now, it helps us because we won't pick those teeth. If they like what they're wearing, we'll try to match them the best we can. These are implant cases, they're precision attachment cases, so please take care when you're taking your impressions. It's the most important part of the beginning of our process. It's like the cellar on a house. We can't build anything unless they're correct. So if you take the time to look at them before they're put in the box and sent to us, it'll be of great help to us here. If you're going to do alginate impressions, please pour the models twice. Obviously you can't send them to us through the mail. In a cold weather, the water will freeze. So don't do that. Pour them twice. I'd prefer if you would do PVS impressions on everything. They're more accurate, they're more stable, and they won't distort in the mail, in the heat or the cold. If you take impressions with implants in place, please do not pour your models. Send them to us and we will pour them. There's 5 of us here in this lab. We all have different jobs to do, but the most important job is when the impressions come here to be poured. That's where Lydia steps in. And we go through a lot of these cases where the impressions just aren't good enough. Another thing I would request, if you would, is in this cold weather, is not to use blue mousse bite registration material. The stuff becomes brittle, it breaks apart, and then we have a very difficult time here mounting cases because of that. If you could use a PVS impression material out of a gun or whatever, it's pliable and we can fit it back onto the teeth easily. Blue mousse is breaking apart and it's not good, especially in the cold. Cases sit in the warehouse on weekends and things become distorted. And this way we're going to have to call you back to take new impressions, and that's something we don't want to do. Number 3, when we send you cases, finished dentures, bite blocks, try-ins, they all come in these charcoal cases. As you can see, there's charcoal inserts in these. Please send them back that way. When you try your case in or you take your bite, put them back into these, close them up, and that's how we should receive them back, along with everything that we sent you. Every single impression, model, tooth card, whatever we send you, please send everything back to us with a new lab slip, continuing the case on. I hope what I've expressed here will help you and us together. By taking the time to look at these things before they're sent to us, I guarantee your work will be better exponentially. Thank you and have a good day.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Fitz. I just want to let everyone know that our upcoming November advanced course has been changed from an in-person event to a webinar. We're still extremely excited. Dr. Shatkin and our team, we're going to deliver a great 3-day advanced program. On the 19th of November, the course will go from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Dr. Shatkin and other lecturers through the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants will be lecturing on all the benefits of mini dental implants. On the second day, which is the 20th of November, we'll go from 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time to 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Dr. Shakin will be doing live advanced surgery all day. So that will be absolutely phenomenal. And on Saturday, our good friend Dr. Matthew Lasorsa will be training on LPRF bone grafting. He'll be using the Osteogen plugs, and he's also going to have 2 hours of lecture and 2 hours of surgery. So the course on Saturday will be 8 a.m. Eastern Time to 12 noon Eastern Time. I would also like to remind everyone about the $179 tax deduction. Please be sure to use it this year. And keep in mind, to take full advantage of the $179 tax deduction, the equipment has to be installed before 12/31 of 2020. Anything that plugs in any type of equipment, such as the Generay, cone beam, anyone placing mini dental implants or any type of implant, mono, MDL, having a cone beam machine is so very important. So not only do you take advantage of the $179 tax break, you also get the PX4 portable x-ray machine, a $6,000 value thrown in. And also keep in mind that when you purchase the Generay 3D from Shakin First, you also get 3 months of CT guided stents absolutely free. And that 3 months starts whenever you choose. It'll have to be a consecutive 3-month period, but you choose the start date. We also have a special on our Shakin First EOS, the external oral suction machine. Anyone who purchases it this week gets a $200 discount. It's a great machine to have for your hygienists, any chair in your dental office. With all the PPE that we have, it's great to add this to your dental office just to keep your staff and your patients safe. If you need a surgical motor, if you need the Piezotome Cube, Shakin First is your place to come. And don't forget about our N95 masks. We have ear loops and headbands made right here in Buffalo, New York. Give us a call at 1-888-4SHAKIN or visit our website, shakinfirst.com. And we look forward to seeing you on the next Monday Morning Minute.